If you don't understand market structure, no matter the strategy you are using, whether demand and supply, trend line, break and retest, support and resistance, indicator, if you don't understand market structure, you will not know where the direction of the market is. And we talked about market structure. If you have this book, we talked about market structure here, but I want to explain it for you to understand perfectly well. Let me just demonstrate first. When the market move up, we call it higher high. When it comes down, we call it higher low, because this low is this high is higher than this low. When it move up again, create a break of structure here, we tend to call it higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Because why? The price has broken this low and pushed downward, lower low. Now this one is no longer a higher high, instead a higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I don't know if you are don't be confused. All right, let me use this chart. Now let's start from this price action. This is a lower high because this is where the market pushed to, this area here. This is your price action here. So this is where the market pushed to, that level. It pushed to that level, creating lower high, pushed down and gave you a lower low. Now every time market push down to break the previous low, we tend to have a break of structure. This is the previous low before. Now market broke it with a body closure. We tend to have a break of structure because market has broken this structure, creating a lower low. Now it retraces back, failing to break this high here. Now the market is now lower high. Every time market push down, give you a break of structure, we have a lower low. Push up again, lower high. Now if you notice my strategy, we said we need to have 2 swing highs and 2 swing low, and price should not break and close below that low for us to validate that our strategy is correct. Now if you notice here, this low is higher than this one. Sorry, this high is higher than this one, and it's also higher than this one. All right, so every time price broke the recent low, we tend to have a break of structure. Now what happens here? Listen. Now we push up again, creating a lower high. Now if you notice, this was the high. Assuming market wanted to push down, this high here should not be broken. But what happened? Market broke it and closed with a body, creating a higher high. Because now market is showing you that, bro, I want to reverse. I'm no longer selling downward. Higher high. When it pushed down, we call it higher low. When it now pushed up again to break this high here, we tend to have a break of structure. Because why? The market is giving us higher high. And if you notice, if you are using my support, my strategy, we tend to have 2 swing, recent swing high or recent swing low. And we said that market should not break and close for us to confirm that that trend is going up. You understand? This is where my strategy was formulated from, to understand that the structure is going up. Now we have a break of structure showing that we are going up. At this area here, market push up, came down, giving us higher high. Now we're having a higher low that created this break of structure. Now we still understand that market is going up. Now market went up, higher high, came down, higher low, creating this break of structure, giving us a new higher high. Let's keep on going. Higher low, creating this break of structure, giving us a higher high. Now if you notice, this low, this, assuming price want to continue going up, this low will have not been broken. This is where my strategy was formulated from. This low, this was the high. If price was definitely going to continue going up, this high here, this recent high, will have been broken. Let me delete this. This is not what I want to use. This recent high here, assuming the price want to continue up, it will have do something like this. It will have push up like this, push up, come back, continue going up. But instead, it went down and broke this low. If you are using my strategy, this confirms that price wants to go down. It gave us a market structure shift. Now this time around, gave us a lower high, push down, lower low. Now this is the current price action. This is the current price action now. Now price is giving us a lower high, then a lower low. Are you seeing it? It's giving us a lower high, lower low, which means that We are trading currently between, let me show you. We are trading currently between this low, you can see, and this high here. Let me show you this high here. We are trading now. This is a recent price action. We are trading between this high and this low. Now, for us to confirm that the price of this market will continue going down, market should never break and close this high. Now, if it breaks and close this high, then market has changed direction again. This is where my strategy was formulated from. We focus on the two recent swing high that shows that market is going down. Now, where do you want to buy from, or where do you want to sell from? If you are in an uptrend, you want to buy from a demand level. If you are in an uptrend, you want to buy from the demand level. If you are in a downtrend, you want to sell from the supply level. So currently, I am waiting for the price to come back to my 4-hour supply level to continue the movement, because the market is retracing. I want it to come here to continue the movement downward. This is what market structure shift means, and help you to determine where the price action is going to.